Hello everyone, got an unboxing video to do. I got some material from Danny Collins, knappingtraditions.com. If you need anything, any tools, hand pads, material, this is the guy to go to. This was more or less a tool trade, so I don't think your box is going to be quite humped up like that. Holy cow. Look at that thing. It's pregnant. I don't know if there's some fake snakes in here and they're going to jump out at me or what. But this thing is, it's pushing the postal service. Put to you that way. Let's see what I got. I forget what I asked. I know he was out of one kind. Oh yeah, this is the Novaculite. Oh yeah. Oh. Well, Danny, I'm glad you gave me extras. It didn't survive the postage. Yeah, this is nice. Big old chunks. Oh yeah. Very, very nice. I like working in Novaculite. To me, it's as far as nappability, it's right below the ease of nappability, right below Obsidian. Awesome. That looks like a piece of Kia Cook, actually. Yeah. Cool. Yeah, that's a piece of, I think, Kia Cook. Yeah. There's the Kia Cook rind. Sweet. That's my second favorite material. Obsidian is right now. Kia Cook was number one earlier until I figured out how to work Obsidian without destroying it. Oh yeah. And I finally get some big chunks. I'm going to do another video, a spalling video with that 2 1/8 inch bopper double cap, the pillet. And then I made a leg pad too for myself that isn't so soft. It's more firm. So we should get better flakes to run. But yeah, I can't wait to do a video. Show how these are going. Yeah, these are awesome pieces. Oh, sweet. I like this. Has that, I don't know, it reminds me of snow. Snow on a whatever, but snowflakes. But yeah, and the point, this will stay in there. That's in the material. Sweet. Yeah, there's some more of it too on that side. Some kind of different mineral or something in that creates that stuff. But yeah, these are really nice, thick pieces. Sweet. And this one, holy cow, I'm going to get 2 hands for this one. Oh yeah. Damn, that's big. Yeah, we'll definitely be spalling this guy out. Let's see how big it is. Yeah, that's 10 inches to that corner. Jeez. About 6 there. About 3.5 thick. Oh yeah, that's nice stuff. But yep, now I can do my spalling video and try that out again. So there you go, guys. If you need some material, Novaculite especially, Danny's the man. He's got a good cook on that. Good recipe, whatever they call it. But yeah, I appreciate the piece of Kia Cook. That's awesome. Have a good one, guys.